Today we're installing specialty carriage house shingles. Let's head out to the job site and see what it takes to put those on.
Not like Santa Claus.
Met the guy only 2 times.
Yeah, you helped him out of the roof that day, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, those look pretty nice. Couple of differences with the install. What are we looking at here, Scott?
Go back to the install. For starters, we got to cut our own starter, which is 8.5 inches from the bottom to the top here, which is what I got here. That's what we start with.
Okay.
And then it's called a 4.5 inch racking method. So what it's going to be is 4.5 inches off from the shingle. Lay your shingle from where it's supposed to go. Should have 4.5 inches right here.
4.5, okay. It's when they're installing up there, they've got them hanging off the edge. What's the reason for that?
All right, the reason for that is the 4.5 inch racking method that I was talking about earlier. And as you can see, it hangs 4.5 inches over past the starter. You run that all the way up to your top.
Okay. What would you say the most important thing about installing a specialty shingle is?
The importance of a shingle or any shingle is, for one, your nail pattern, nailing correctly in the right places and the right amount of nails per shingle.
What's that remind you of?
It kind of looks like the inside of Aaron's truck, actually.
They have metal valleys that are going in up there. With these shingles, you have to put in a specialty metal valley. What am I looking at, Scott?
Well, just for starters, you gotta make sure you get your first shingle starter up underneath it for your water to pour out onto, so that way it's not going into a void or a hole.
Okay.
And then the next important thing is just a nice even space all the way up your valley so it looks nice,
So
straight.
nice and straight, okay. Now, before you do that, would you put ice and water just like any other roof then?
Yeah, so then when we're installing it, we ran ice underneath